interesting background, and I get what you're saying about the power thing. Yeah. Fuck no. And my dad was like, yeah, hell yeah. And so,
what are you stopping for? You don't have a yield. They do. Toyo turd.
She walks through the door, and here's me, tail claws with ice water done. Like it has to be fast. That takes practice, man.
Oh wait, this is not my exit.
But there have definitely been
oops.
You done messed up, hey Ron. We met this couple from Chicago. They got married already, and I was like, "You got a prenup?" And it just made them
no signal cut off.
You're like, "Oh, what?" So it's this having that enzyme, you know. So I think once in a while, it's good to segregate yourself. Like one day a month, you should only hang out with people of your own race. I think I already have enough of that problem. What do you mean?
Really,
There's
dude?
White people everywhere in the United States. That's true. Most of the time when I'm in the room, it's
and Volkswagen is right up there to catch up on that. That would be tough, you know.
In a lot of ways, I have to say that it seems like many of today's vehicles are more like rolling computers than cars. What do you think? Wholly unfun to be around. And so this particular Christmas, we're not going to be traveling. We're going to stay at home, and we're not going to. We're not going to have people staying at our house this year. And so I was just pretty direct. But really, the problem, the issues, if you will, they're all me centered. I'm not going to be a good host this year because I've got so much going on, and that means that
what extra regret?
And by the way, all my family went, "Oh, thank God, that'd be so great to have a year off." So everybody was glad that I would be back.
Why are family and holiday traditions important?
Yeah, this is a really fucked up intersection. There's like no signs in advance to that one that right lane was exit only. Really?
It's not innovative and new. It's the gift of
no trucks on the parkway. No, you cannot be here. What are you doing on the parkway? Stop it! And there's a truck in that direction too. I got a twofer in this thing. Holy shit! What are truckers doing on here? It's not allowed.
And when it comes to cars or trucks that are all electric, what's going on there?
You know, at first glance, it feels that way, and certainly their executives get a lot of questions. I think
hey, do you see me here?
Not long ago, we had a chance to interview Akio.
I think those were red light runs.
Starts looking at cars, like they look very cool. The other we're looking at it. I wanted to look at that.
You know what's weird is that I saw.
That was an exit dive. I'm gonna consider that an exit dive. Exit dive. Exit dive.
He was strict in rules and everything, but he didn't.
No stop.
He wasn't physically abusive. Like I think he went out one time.
The police officer, she lies to the social worker, and she does that. But at least you will have sent a message to everybody involved. Is I'm watching, and
Miriam, is it true that the regime is saying, well, she just had a heart attack? Like we didn't kill her. Yeah, we beat the shit out of her and threw her in a van and took her away, but she sort of died on her own. Is it an act of God argument?
That is the end-all be-all, but hopefully not the end of the list in the future. I can think of another trail.
Nice cutoff.
The Art Loeb Trail.
Hi, this is Jessica calling you from Spectrum. We have a limited time Christmas offer going on for Spectrum Mobile. That is buy one, get one free.
I mean, the slogans are really, listening and paying attention. But of course, a lot more needs to be done. The fact that you know people who don't know who he is.
Up to the Kennedy sale brought out an even more brutal side of the CEO, who berated employees and made unrealistic demands. Soon, she'll be taking fire from outside Sotheby's, too. In June 1996, Brooks receives an alarming letter from the UK's Office of Fair Trade.
Exit dive all the way from the left lane. Bad.
Anti-competitive win the Loeb auction due to a personal family connection of Stephen Lash, the head of Christie's Trusts and Estates Department. And while Lash is happy to be called upon for the favor, he's been growing suspicious of potential collusion. He's starting to ask questions that no one wants to answer.
The fuck was that? The fuck? This is fucked up. That was like.
Who has their hooks in you? Who decides what you do? Now, and obviously,
no, stop beside me.
Maybe it's a bad example. Maybe you got a big.
See if that got on camera.
That's.
Controversial proposal. He wants to test out her willingness to throw her former mentor under the bus to save her own skin. If you went directly to the Department of Justice and tried to strike a deal, you might be able to avoid jail time.
The hell's going?
You mean go behind everyone's back?
The fuck are you doing back there? Now they're yelling about something. I don't know. Hey, hello! Also, seriously!
My wife and I, we purchased our first house. Systems and opinions, that sort of grasp. Right. And this.
No, stop! And there was a car coming. Lex turd.
Well, or you not?
It is a residential cleaning business.
Okay. And so it's like a.
You suck!
Clean homes?
Mm-hmm.
It's a Tesla. It should have gone way faster than that.
A little bit.
Roommate, I won't out him which one, but I saw him put on deodorant, and I was like, "What are you doing? How did you?" And here's
dude, what a
He wasn't an
douchebag.
athlete. He hadn't been in a locker room.
What am I doing? I'm sober. I'm good.
We got an exit dive. Yep, from the center lane. And he went for the on-ramp all the way to the right, too. I don't think that part got on camera, but that's what happened, because they suck.
So here's where we get.
No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we are on I-80. Oh, and that's a bad cutoff, too, up there. In New Jersey. We're in New Jersey, I-80, and they don't allow trucks in the left lane here. There's a sign that says it. No, you cannot be there. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Please pass me so I can pass this slow truck. I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.